seminar on goods and service taxes. Sri D. Sitaramaya Garu, Chairman, Indian Institute of Economics, Dr. V. Bhaskar, IAS retired, keynote speaker of today. Bring all the state and the entire economy together as a one services tax at a same level without much differentiation. Now, this is being looked upon as the most important reform for the country because of its simplicity and revenue worthiness also, because the taxes will be paid on value additions in entire chain starting from the production to the consumption. Now, when we talk of GST, I think I like to briefly say that before this GST, the VAT was introduced in the year 2005 from 1st of April, and that was also a very, very significant improvement over then prevailing local tax system. And at the state level, the advantage of VAT was that, again, instead of multi-point tax, it was a single point, and again, the value addition was there at each state, and we used to get the tax credit and pay on the value addition only. But still, there were some anomalies in that system, and to solve that issue, which were untouched by VAT, then Finance Minister Shri Pranab Mukherjee, while presenting the budget on July 16, 2009, said that GST would come into effect from April 2010. Now, goods and service tax is indeed to be a very significant improvement towards a comprehensive indirect tax reform in the country. But the wait for implementation of GST has been too long, and the biggest benefit I feel that can be witnessed with the introduction of GST is that multiple taxes like various state taxes like entry tax, octroi, central sales tax, state level sales tax, telecom license fee, turnover tax, etc., they will be removed and there will be a single taxation. Now, industry is demanding early implementation of GST. The reason is that there is a tax credit available at each state of the value chain, including excise duty, elsewise excise duty. There is a value added at each stage, right from manufacture to each stage of sales, but the tax to be paid only on the value added tax. The tax is passed on till the last stage, wherein it is the customer of the goods and services who bears the tax.